Hi, do you ever find yourself struggling to find the time to provide helpful feedback on every student's paper or quiz you grade? My name is Miss Frederick, and I'm here to show you that there's an easy way to do this using the feedback option in Google Forms. This will not only save you time, but it will allow your students to better understand why they got an answer right or wrong. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Google form you had created. This is the example of one question I made for demonstration purposes in this video. The next thing you'll need to do in order to provide feedback is you'll need to make this file a quiz. In order to do so, you'll need to go to the top right-hand corner and click on the icon for settings. Then you'll want to go over to where it says quizzes, click on that, and click the little button that says make this a quiz. Don't forget after you do that to scroll down to the bottom and hit save. After that, when you go back to your question, you will see on the bottom left-hand side a blue icon that says answer key. You'll want to go ahead and click on that. When you click on answer key, you'll be brought to a page that gives you the opportunity to choose the correct answer for your question. My question was, a firefighter's job is to help in emergencies and put out fires. So I would go ahead and select true or false. This answer is true. So now that I've selected my correct answers, I can go ahead and click Add Answer Feedback. Here you'll have the option to add feedback for correct and incorrect answers. So first I would go ahead and add something for correct answers. This is a kindergarten quiz example, so I'll give a quick feedback response. I will say firefighters do help put out fires in their communities. And then I will go over to incorrect answers, but that's just because I'm choosing to do so. If you only want to leave feedback for your correct answers, that's an option. You could just click save. But I'm going to go over here to incorrect answers for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to put what I would want the students to see if they selected the incorrect answer. I would say, remember, firefighters use their hoses and fire hydrants to help put out fires. They also assist in emergencies. And now I would click save. So once you've clicked save, you now can scroll down and see that this will be the feedback that your students will see if they click the correct answer, and this will be the feedback that your students would see if they clicked the incorrect answer. Now from here, if you wanted to be sure that it's exactly the way that you want your students to see it, you can actually preview the question yourself. In order to do that, you go up to the top right-hand side again and click the button right in the middle that says preview. It looks like an eye. Once you click that button, you'll be brought to your question the way that your students would view it. And then you can choose to answer the question. So I'll go ahead and click true and submit. That brings them here, and your students will need to click view score if they want to see the correct answer in your feedback. Once you click view score, their feedback will appear. So because I got it right, I saw the correct feedback, which is a firefighter's job is to help in emergencies and put out fires. So that is all, and I'm going to go ahead and show you my sources. Alright, so today I showed you how to add feedback in Google Forms. I hope you have found this to be helpful in your classroom, as I know it has been helpful in mine. Have a great day.